Welcome everyone, I am Nomusalama from Nanhua Temple in South Africa. As we are all aware, the world is full of people using different kinds of languages to communicate. On this channel, we will be learning how to make daily conversations in English and Mandarin Chinese. Today, we are going to learn 50 different phrases that we use in our daily lives.
Now, let's begin.
你叫什么名字？
What is your name?
这是你吗？
Is this you?
回头见。
See you later.
那是什么？
What is that?
我很开心。
I am happy.
每个人都在这里。
Everybody is here.
太棒了！
This is amazing.
谢谢你，女士。
Thank you, ma'am.
我有果汁。
I have juice.
喝水。
Drink water.
该起床了。
It's time to wake up.
我们走吧。
Let's go.
我相信。
I believe.
发型不错。
Nice hair.
这是个好日子。
It is a good day.
我不介意。
I don't mind.
我有消息。
I have news.
一路平安。
Travel safe.
约翰在哪里？
Where is John?
学校怎么样？
How is school?
你喜欢什么？
What do you like?
不要害怕。
Don't be scared.
你确定吗？
Are you sure?
这说得通。
It makes sense.
你喜欢动物吗？
Do you love animals?
我的狗走丢了。
My dog is lost.
我一直在等待。
I have been waiting.
请说。
Please talk.
这很漂亮。
This is beautiful.
我为你感到骄傲。
I am proud of you.
你声音很大。
You are very loud.
今天很冷。
Today it's cold.
让我们练习。
Let's practice.
这太容易了。
This is so easy.
我想上学。
I want to go to school.
我的书在哪里？
Where is my book?
我找到了我的笔。
I found my pen.
你的手机在哪里？
Where is your cell phone?
这是我妈妈。
This is my mother.
这是我爸爸。
This is my father.
您好，老师。
Hello, teacher.
你爱黑色。
You love black.
我爱蓝色。
I love blue.
我不明白。
I don't understand.
你看电视吗？
Do you watch TV?
让我们来唱歌。
Let's sing.
请集中注意力。
Please focus.
现在已经晚了。
It's late.
你会做饭吗？
Can you cook?
再见。
Goodbye.